to me.
Ready na?
What are you navigating?
Bikers Hub. This one. Is that right?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay. Earlier it says 17 kilometers from here, but in the video the Bikers Hub looks really good. Yeah.
Very scenic. So yeah, let's eat there.
So guys, correction, it's still 37 kilometers from here, not 17.
Huh?
Yep. Bikers Hub.
Why so?
I don't know. Earlier it says 17 eh.
Alam ko, Pinewood also has food eh.
Meron. Pero ang ganda kasi ng video ng Bikers Hub. Ganda ng lugar, bro. Sa video isang kasi selective yung mga shots pero maganda, mukhang maganda talaga eh. Uy, init. Grabe.
Ang kakapukot ang init.
Basa na ba kung basa? Pero maulap eh. Mukhang maulap sa unahan eh.
Kaya nga, hindi yan.
Damay-damay naman tayo, bro.
Dito lang ako sa bukal.
Sharp curve to the right.
Primera, sharp left. Actually si JP ang ang traditional spear natin sa mga ganito eh.
Whoop!
For the, what?
JP, rinig mo na kami.
Hindi ko vlog pa si JP.
Si Ian pala. Ian. Sorry bro.
Yes. Buhagin.
Rinig mo na kami, Ian.
Pero ano, hindi na rin ako kaya baka ano. May galit kami.
Ganda nga mag-green na yung ganda nung bundok na.
Dati try na try, no?
Oh bro, puro brown makikita mo dito eh.
Parang
Ilang buwan lang yun more than a month lang.
reddish brown.
Oo.
Nagpunta kami reddish brown yung lupa.
View on your right, bros.
Wow. Fuck. Woo! Nagdala ba kayo ng drone?
Dalawa yata may drone ngayon. Tatlo. Baka si Dieter mayroon. Si JB may brand new.
Yeah, but pero yung drone ni Peter hindi lumalabas ng edge ng clip yan. yung drone ni Peter afraid of height. Wala na kong si Peter, hindi niya bakit sayang?
Dieter is vlogging.
Peter is vlogging. Ano ko rin mapakis ko? Iiwan ka ko sana eh. Basta kaya tayo sa level 2.
Oops, sandy road again. Ingat.
Watch out! Wala pa nagbawalis dito.
Gusto nyo dito? Pero walang walang puno nga lang. Pero hindi naman mainit eh.
Oh. Yep. Dito tayo?
Sino mga 30? Hindi mo post yung picture na nag-drone ako ha. Hindi
i-approve. Hindi ko sa kanya, pinayaran na sa akin yung drone. Sabi mo, drone yan ni Ivan. Alis na si Ivan kaya iniwan mo na sa'yo. Pinapatesting kasi baka bilhin mo yung drone. Tapos next time, sa'yo na, nabili mo na. 1,000 na. How could you say no? No, Ivan, ito tayo mamaya. Para alayin tayo, bro. Hihingin yung number ni Ivan, ano? Number ng asawa ni Ivan. Ah, patay! Hoy! Pinamibigay mo yung drone mo. Si Ivan na napahamak. Sabi ni Ivan, hindi, $1,000 yun.
Oh, yan. Isa pang magandang spot to, bro. Hanap tayo.
Hoy, ito,
ng ano. Parang maganda, ano?
Oh, ganda.
Ah, grabe, ganda.
Saan kaya may ano? May hara. Yan, ganda, oh.
Nice.
Doon kaya. Tingnan natin doon.
Ganda! Shit, sobrang ganda!
Light prone area daw dito.
Teka, scoutin ko. Balikan ko kayo, ha? Promise, hindi na ako mawawala.
Kaya ka naman na. Dali na naman tayo ng isang oras yan. Ito ako pa tayo yan eh.
Taas din ng cover, eh. Okay na kaya?
Sa side niya.
Alam ko yung magandang spot, Ivan, dun pa, eh. Mga 2 kilometro siguro. Punta na ako dun sa may spot kanina, ha? Hintay ko kayo dun.
Copy ko. What spot? Sige, sumala ako sa kanya. Oo, go.
JP, nakasunod ka?
Group connection lost.
Nasaan na yun? Pare, may premium? May premium? Papagas lang ako dito. Premium gasoline, ano? 300. Okay, fuck. Saan kayo? Nawala ako, hinahanap ko yung spot kanina.
Ang layo mo na doon. Hinahanap natin tayo. So, andun sila. Hinahanap sa'yo.
Nasaan sila?
Meron kasi yung script doon. So, pinahanap mo muna sila doon.
Sorry po, tsaka kaya.
At least you're okay.
Yung first spot, hindi yun yung kung saan tayo nag-drone, eh. So hanap ako ng hanap. Sabi ko po siya parang hindi na pamilyar.
Sitting here alone, waiting by the phone again. I'm incomplete. I think I need you. But when you're here with me, I feel like I'm whole again. So now you leave, 'cause I think I need you. Got me inside out. Stay a little longer. Don't think I can live without you now. We can get a little higher. Yeah, this feeling got me inside out. Stay a little longer. Don't think I can live without you now. We can get a little higher. It's got me inside out.
Here, back here.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for waiting, guys. Interior of my helmet fell apart.
Wet road.
Another fuck. Hindi ko naka-dangerous na part, oh.
Lumalamig na.
Yeah. English, no?
Gravel.
Pero daan lang tayong ano, yan. Mukhang maganda. Ah, maganda nga.
Maganda, pero
Maganda rin.
pagod na ako. Pinahal lang kami ni Ian sa dahil may sooner sa halip na natin.
Up, wet road up ahead. Mahaba-habang wet road to. And they're on the curves.
So, send na for them to pass later.
Eto, maganda tong part na to, bro. Gustong-gusto ko to nung pumunta tayo, JB. Mag-green dito sa part na to nun eh. Ito, ganda dito oh. Ang ganda dito sa harap ko ngayon oh. Ito, tino mo.
Dali, konting pace lang. Ayan. Hindi ka na, lupas na eh. Ayan, sige, quick photo up lang, quick photo up. Guys, there's a vehicles on the left. Let them pass. 9 kilometers away. Kilometers natin.
Ba't sa akin 15?
15 pa sa'yo?
Biker sub. Yeah.
Go, go! Okay, let's go.
Sharp right. Mas maganda pala dito.
Sakto dito, oh.
Yup.
So, nagagapang dyan si Kenneth, oh. Nakafollow mo. Watch out.
Ganda nito.
No. Road right now.
Ah, nagsi-single lane, bro. Ah, yun ang single lane. Okay. Okay, dirt road.
Full stop, full stop.
Full stop. You have to full stop. Moving. Wala naman to dati, so sorry ha. Wala to dati. Ito yung isang ano, nakita namin ni JP na mukhang okay din yung sa Lintuan. Mukhang maganda view niya. Saka mukhang air condition. Ito na yung Sherman tank, bro.
Okay.
Parang malapit na tayo dun sa, ano, sa Maliko Viewpoint.
Kaya ba ito?
Uy, lamig niya.
So, sharp right, sharp left.
Right.
Sharp left. Sharp right. Tight right, tight right. Sharp left. Mud on the right lane, mud on the right lane. Wet road up ahead. Ito na, tama naman pala yung pin, no? Ito na, on your right, biker sub, on your right.
Sige, pasok mo.
Ano sila eh?
Pag ganito ba?
Pass ba ang tanong?
Abangan ko na.
Here it is. Woo! Found it. Found Jonathan.
Sinong wala?
Kada ko, mali ko akari eh.
Ah, yun na. There's the dealer.
Yay!
Oh yeah, nice.
Atyo, maganda nga oh. No?
Yep.
Maganda yung view.
Yay. Whew. Pressure ng harap ko. 34. Okay naman. Dulas ng dulas eh.
Four group members connected.
Nawa, James. Alright. There we go. Go, go, go.
Rolling.
Come on, guys. The road is good. Push. How many kilometers?
About 14, I think. Phone is dead. My phone is dead.
Coming car.
Wet road ahead.
Oh, I hate it. Clear, clear. Two motorcycles in there. Two turn to the right. Two on the left.
Tight curve to the right.
Oh, overshoot.
Another tight curve to the right.
Next meter.
Another tight curve to the left.
Ay, dapat ito slide gulong yung dito.
Many sharp curves up ahead.
Tingnan mo tricycle. Do not overshoot.
And sharp curve to the right again.
Wet road, wet road.
Wet road, sharp curve to the right. And tight curve to the right. Tight curve to the left. Primera. Tight curve to the right.
Dito ba tayo lampas? Baka nag-enjoy masyado sa buwisit ha.
Overtaking the white car. Overtaking the white
Pala
car.
tayo eh. Oh.
Up, be careful on the right lane. There are two parked vehicles on the right lane. Incoming motorcycle.
Incoming fog.
Very foggy up ahead. It's really foggy up ahead.
So foggy.
Still clear. I'm overtaking a silver van, Hyundai van, and it's clear after. I can't tell you it's clear because it's still foggy.
Jonathan, tinutiya ko po eh.
Yellow. Incoming 3 cars, 3 vehicles incoming.
Coming 3 cars.
4 vehicles incoming.
4.
After the Land Cruiser, it's clear, and
Watch out for the barrier.
we should be very close now.
Roadblock on the right. Incoming car. Roadblock on the right.
Are you guys taking a recording? Oh, I'm recording it but I'm running out of battery.
Di pa ba tayo lumalampas? Yung foggy na eh.
Pero malapit na.
Okay, okay.
450 meters.
Okay, copy, copy.
150 meters. I'm not sure ha. Pero
Ang kapal ng fog.
baka mali na naman to. Ito na yata, di ba?
Eto na. Yep, we're here.
Here. Tama.
Careful, gravel.
Oh shit.
Medyo loose yung gravel bro ah. Dumudulas ako kanina.
Di ba pwede dito? Dito.
I think it's okay.
Why do we have to go there? Mas maganda ron.
Yeah. Ay putak. Lumubog. Muntik na.
Kasi ha?
Lumubog yung
Nasa pa. Wow.
foggy.
And with the last stretch of my battery, I'm going to record our approach. Our arrival. Hello. Hindi kasi, hindi pwede dito eh, oh. Daan yan eh. Hindi rin pwede dyan, daan yan. Hindi, dito na, no? Dito ka sa likod namin. Sa likod ng ano. I'm thinking about it, whether it's here or there. Here? Hello.
Okay next.
Turning on the sun.
Slow lang tayo, slow.
Pabango na konti, Clark. But the sun is going up. Yeah, make it clear.
Oops, landslide.
That's okay.
Wow.
Ingat.
Wow, that's new. We're lucky it didn't block the entire way, no?
Yeah.
Oh, well, looks like this guy took it out already. They probably blocked the entire way. And then they probably cleared parts of it. Basta, papi muna tayo.
The one with the tank, right?
Yep, that's the Sherman Tank Shrine.
Qingdao campsite.
Roadwork 100 meters. Okay, it's our turn. Ingat ha, medyo malalim yung ibang lubak. Teka. Oh, medyo malambot sa gitna. Go bro, sige. Una ka na. Paano ka?
One at a time.
It's really soft in the middle.
Flash.
Oh yeah. Asa Clark? Baka sabihin nyo na nag-aantay na.
Sakit ang balikat ko dun ah. Ang ganda na naman ng shot mo dito sa akin na Ivan, no? Ganda ng color combination pa, buhay na buhay ang footage nito. Ganda nito.
Ako ka. Oy, rainbow. Hindi pala. Nakatubig pala. Madulas, madulas.
Car incoming.
Madulas, madulas. Ang titas. Ano tayo sa ako sa ko? Stick na mali commando. Sorry guys, that's it. Para na maglagay ng jet ng lyric start. Here. Ano, are we gonna stop for a time?
No, just continue. Wait na ako dito sa may harapan.
Kaya kita ko na siya. Look at that, brother. Look at that, brother. Okay, Andrew Park. Let's fucking
Maybe we can use the view spot out here.
here.
So here, covering it.
Well, we can walk, guys. Come on. To be ashamed not to do this. Sa mga drone? Drone na.
Pwede, sayang yung opportunity na. Matagal-tagal na naman tayo makakabalik nito.
Tsaka never.
Aray ko.
Mas maganda dyan yung ulap. Okay, I'm ready when you guys are. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Moving.
That's a nice setup. You don't have to dismount to take photos and videos. Hey, who's following me? Come closer. My insight's on. Yeah, my insight's on. Get some action shots and then overtake.
Ito parang maganda rin, no? Kita mo,
Okay,
parang may
okay.
viewing deck siya doon, no?
Oy, ganda rito, man!
Yep.
Ano, ito tayo? Walk! Guys, ito na tayo dito. Come on, we're not
There's
rushing,
a
are
river
we?
downstairs there. Very nice here.
Okay, let's take some shots. Come on, come on. It's not the kitchen. Oh, walang ibon.
I feel like I'm flying now. You touch my hand, you make it so delicate. You give me peace of mind. You take me on.